Well, look who we have here. That's right. You wanted the best, you got the best. The hottest band in the world. Oh, that's something else. My bad. What's going on, guys? We're working on old Bessie today. And we're gonna put on her foot pedal. Got this trick unit from the guy that replaced the carburetor on it. It's a good old Speedway unit, so you know it's gonna be fast. We're gonna attach the throttle cable directly to the carb, bypass the governor, and hopefully we don't really gotta do much to it. I gotta find a way to attach it to the carb, but yeah, that'll come later. We got time to figure that out. Also, we are going to finally start on getting her fast. We're gonna see if we can't take the pulley that's on the engine and flop it. You know, you've got the small one that drives the transmission, and then on the bottom is the one that drives the mower deck. Well, as you know, this one don't have a mower deck, so we can swap that, put the bigger pulley to drive the transmission, and that should give us a good amount of speed. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get the air cleaner assembly off so we have easier access to the carb. Luckily, most of this stuff is just hand tools and hand tools. First order of business under here. That's your carb linkage. And then that rod connecting it connects it to the governor. So, first thing we're gonna do, get rid of this thing. Next, we're gonna put the pedal on, attach our throttle cable right here, and that'll pull her back and forth. The bottom of our pedal has two studs mounted with two bolts or two nuts. We're gonna put it right here, run the cable up under here, then we're gonna just attach it. All right, to get my hole location, I'm gonna spray some black paint. Take my gas pedal and kind of just set it where I want to put it. And as you can see, well, you probably can't see, but I have got two holes. Oh, or just use one that's already there. There we go. And there's our gas pedal. This cable's a little bit long, so we're gonna trim it up. I made a mark, and I'm gonna use this tubing cutter because there's a hard metal sheath around this cable. So let's see if we can use this. Let's just go ahead and not play any more games. There we go. There's our throttle cable. Here's the throttle situation for our gas pedal. Took the cable and I attached it to the side of the mower with a fuel line. I don't know. I had it from something else. Connected it to the carb linkage, attached some return springs, and that gives us just enough. They say with these opposed twins, you don't want to go over 3,800 RPM without oiling mods, so this will get us there, that's for sure. I've got our little tack here. I'll show you guys the pedal action. That's it at idle. We're getting it, buddy. We got the lower pulley off. This is what was driving it. This is what we want to use. But we can't just flip it like I thought, because this hole is bigger than this one. Some guys on YouTube, you see they flip the pulley and they're good to go, but the shaft is the same diameter all the way through. This one's not. So, whoa, whoa, whoa. So we're gonna have to get a new pulley. This might take a while. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to close the hood on old Bessie for the day. And we'll have to get some movie magic going for you guys, because the pulley situation is not looking good. Went to the old man mall, aka Tractor Supply, and they did not have a big enough pulley that would fit on the shaft. We need a 1-inch bore, and I like to have like a 5-inch OD pulley. So we ordered one on the old Rainforest. That's Amazon. And well, was Amazon or Rainforest? You guys let me know in the comments. That'll fit on there. It has the keyway, so we don't have to do any drilling. It'll basically be a slide on and tighten the set screws. Then we'll get a bigger belt and we should be good to go. Pretty excited. So next time you see us, it'll be hour or 2, day or 3. Who's counting? See you in a bit. All right, guys, we finally got the race mower back up and running. I got this pulley off Amazon. It was a 1-inch shaft with a key, so I really didn't have to mess with that. And then we got a larger belt from Tractor Supply. So I think the one that was on there was probably like a 3-inch pulley, or maybe a little bit less. And now it's almost a 6-inch. So we've got 12 miles an hour out of her. And we'll give you some clips of it rolling. Dad tried it out, Mike tried it out. Maddie hadn't tried it yet. I bet she's too scared. She's not redneck enough to do stuff like this. So we'll show you that. All right, man, how was it?
It was pretty awesome.
Not fast enough, though, right?
Not fast enough, but it was good.
This has got to be faster.
I had the beer, so that was important. Kept everything lubricated.
Oh, sponsorship. Getting to speed. All right, guys, we did it. We got the mower running. Goes real good. 12 miles an hour is pretty good considering we were starting at 5. Maybe not even 5. Once we change the pulley on the transmission, that should get us pretty close to 40. put a little 3-inch pulley on that. It's got like an 8-inch pulley on it. So we'll get that going. In the meantime, you guys go get them revs.